Hey there. I wanted to make a very short video going through some of our materials and online components to Math 102 College Trigonometry with supplemental instruction. I do really want to reiterate the title of this class requires us and indicates the fact that we have an additional supplemental instruction to complete each week, and I would really recommend all students do this. This is not trivial busy work. This is material we need in order to be successful at all in this class. Many of you have, technically below college level placement scores, and this class is designed to help you kind of get up to a point where, yes, you can be successful in this class. So the supplemental instruction stuff is not optional. It is a graded part of your it is part of your grade. I'd really recommend all students do this basically as soon as we can. I open this up either Sunday night or Monday, and for the most part, it's been fairly straightforward for many students. The kind of data and analytics that I'm getting says that for most students, this should take between 15 and 25 minutes. So it's not, a whole lot of work. It is necessary work, okay? So I just want to be really clear with that. To access our online systems, we do have 3 separate systems. We have Canvas, obviously. We have this material for supplemental instruction, and then we have our normal kind of homework. And the normal homework, that's part of just Math 103. Quite frankly, many times in WAMAP, you'll see that it's directly from a Math 103 class. I've purposely done that to make sure that we are maintaining those standards. But the supplemental instruction material is here for you to make sure you're successful with that homework. So again, supplemental instruction for week 2, we see here 3 kind of different topics. I believe there are 4 technically in the week 2 table of contents. I've removed one of those. We'll talk about that in class today on Wednesday. If you scroll down, check-ins. Check-ins are all due the day after class. I really want all students to get in the habit of, after class, I have to do a check-in. I usually make these due by midnight of a class day, but with us being an afternoon class and schedules being tight, I recognize that might not be helpful for everyone. If it seems like people are kind of just slacking off on this, it will impact your grade. This is a graded component of the class. If you scroll down further, homework, you have to do nothing nothing additional to access these. You just click on these homework assignments, and the system WAMAP will open up directly. So for some of us, we're still having issues getting into the supplemental instruction. To get in there, you go to Announcements. You go down to Supplemental Instruction. And you'll see here, I give kind of a description of what this supplemental instruction is supposed to do for us. I provide the access code here, and I reiterate the fact that, sometimes technology issues happen, and I want you guys to make sure you are able to ask me questions. Let me know what's going on. I will not know something is broken until, frankly, sometimes you guys tell me. If we push off our homework, if we push off our assignments until the day it is due, then, we do run the risk of our technology issues impacting our grades. This is not something I want. I want all students to be successful in this class. However, completing material on time and before a due date is definitely something we all should be attempting to do. If we do wait until, an hour before something is due and we have a technology issue, I frankly will not be up and available to help. So please make sure to start this material early. At the very least, I will be opening up weeks kind of on Sunday night, Monday morning or so. Definitely go through and just kind of see what am I looking at this week. Supplemental instruction is due on the following Sunday. However, this is probably going to be the, lowest hanging fruit, as we say in mathematics. This, easiest stuff to get to. Check-ins, you have to do that on a very consistent basis. And then homeworks are, 3 days after we cover that material in class. I think it's really critical that we maintain a very kind of consistent schedule. This is why I had you all write schedules in your week 1 binder checklists. I think it's a very critical thing that we establish and use. I myself have a calendar that I make sure to follow. So this isn't, I'm telling you to do a thing I don't do. This is a thing that I really expect all students to do. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.